Hello! Welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Alright, well, there's different forms of relief, but it depends on your current situation. The fact you're on DACA right now would probably indicate that you are either not married to a U.S. citizen or you're married to a U.S. citizen, but you don't qualify to adjust status. Now, the first things first, in order to apply for VAWA, that's the Violence Against Women's Act, which, by the way, men can apply for this too. Um, if you've been abused by your husband, he needs to be either a lawful permanent resident or a U.S. citizen. If he is not, then it is a matter of seeing then if you qualify for the U visa. Now, for the U visa, being a victim of domestic violence is a particular form of relief that you can apply for, but it's backlogged for many years. So even if you have it done today and filed tomorrow, it'll be several years before you see anything from it. But obviously, you don't want to stay in a situation where you're being abused in order to try to maintain some kind of immigration status. So assuming that you don't qualify for the VAWA and you do qualify for the U, you're going to need to make a police report. You need to follow up on it. You probably need to get a temporary restraining order and do all that would be normal if you are being abused. You also can, if you can, move out, get to somewhere where you're safe, because you don't need to physically be present in the same household to apply either for VAWA or for the U visa. Now, if this abuse borders on sex trafficking, how that's defined, then you would be able to apply for the T visa, and the T visa is for there's no backlog, it's much quicker, doesn't need certification like the U does, so that would be the better way to go. And there are people who get into the U.S. here in a relationship, and then all that the spouse does is essentially keep them confined and rape them and abuse them and so forth, and that could very well qualify for the T visa. So I would need to have more facts in order to know what you qualify for, but you most likely would qualify for something. It's just a matter of which one. Okay.